Hey everybody, welcome back to Camy's Garage. Those of you that watched my last video know that I had all these offcuts that ended up being unused in my last piece, so obviously I think I can still do something with all of these. I think we can make another small segmented torus, at least one, maybe two, who knows. I'm just going to start gluing them up and see what happens. Is it wrong to be totally pleased with myself right now? I'm so excited about this piece. Especially considering it was just scraps left over from my last piece that I made. I really like how this turned out. I was really excited to make this too. I was so obsessed with finishing it today. And I hope you were excited to see it. I've got more projects on the go, so you can bet you'll be seeing more cool stuff soon from Camy's Garage.